Hello everyone, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about role of nurse to cope stress of illness and hospitalization in a child and in the family. So first we will discuss what a nurse is doing when she is in the hospital. A nurse is working 24 into 7 in a day. 24 into 7. So she can work as a sportive. She is providing comfort, strength, knowledge, education to the family members and the child also. The nurse is maintaining confidence and positive relationship with the family members so that if there is any query is occurring in the family members or the child, she can able to find the solution of the problem, or any disturbance in the vital signs or change in the body image or any stress that is occurring in the family or in the child, she is helping to reduce the stress. So the role of a nurse is very important to relieve the stress, because the nurse can work as an educator to release the stress of a person or a family member or a child. Now we will discuss one by one how a nurse is helpful in reducing stress of a client, child or a family. First thing is that the nurse will involve family members into client care or child care. Family members into client care or child care. Involve family member into client care or providing family centered care. Providing family centered care. Now we will discuss how a nurse is providing family centered care. First, she will be involving care according to the age group. For example, for the child also, for the parents also, for the other persons who are living in the family members. She has to take care for each and every person. Second is, she has to educate the family members regarding the disease condition, how the disease can be prevented, when they have to take the medicine, when they have to come for follow-up. Regarding all the things, she has to educate. Third thing is, she has to take informed consent before any procedure, because if the family members they are involved in the care, family members they can take care better for their client. Next is involving family members into the decision making process. Decision making, while performing any procedure, to ask the permission from the family members, or any procedure you are performing, give a choice to the parents or give some time to the parents so that they can able to help in the agreement regarding the procedure or regarding the care. Now we will discuss how a nurse is releasing stress in a neonate. In earlier class, we have discussed that the reaction of a neonate were like separation anxiety, cannot able to maintain trust with the family members. So how the nurse is helping in maintaining trust or separation anxiety? First is contact between the parents and the child, it should be there. Contact between parents and child, it should be present when the child is hospitalized. That means one parent can stay with the child. One parent can stay with the child 24 hours. If the child is not admitted in NICU or PICU, if the child is condition is normal or condition is well, so the one parent can stay with the child 24 hours. Second thing is, the mother and child, they should kept together. So we will call it as rooming in practice. That means parents and mother or the child, they will stay together in a room. That is rooming in practice. That will help in maintaining trust, and the parents can also show love and care towards their child. Third is sensory motor stimulation. That means the building or the area or the walls or the ceilings, they should be adequate, light should be there, or they should be different colored, so that the child is more attracted towards the red color when the child is a neonate. So these are the role of a nurse when she is taking care for a child, how she can able to reduce the stress. Now we will discuss how she can able to cope the stress with the infant. Already we had discussed about the stress in the children or stress in the family members. Now we will discuss how we will reduce. So one thing is we can able to encourage mother to balance the responsibilities. To balance responsibilities, that means she has to take care for the family also, for the child also, so she has to make a balance. When she is taking care for the child, when she is not taking care for the child, who is the other person who is taking care for the child, so she has to make a balance between the responsibility. Second is she has to fulfill the basic need of child, they should be fulfilled. Third is breastfeeding to the child, because the child is safe when the child is in the hand of the mother or the parents. So when the mother is giving breastfeeding, the child is in the lap of the mother, so the child is feeling safe. Next thing is limit number of personnel. Limit number of personnel to reduce chances of infection. Involve mother during any procedure. When any procedure is performing, the involve mother in the care or in the procedure also. Next, provide toys to the client according to the age group. Home-like environment. That means the mother should not restrict the child to stay in a bed. She has to make the child to do recreation activity, toys, walk here and there. Next, relieve tension and loneliness. That means allow the parents or the child to talk in between with other family members also, or other clients parents also, so that if the client is having same condition, the stress is reduced with their techniques also, because verbalization of feeling is helpful in reducing the stress. Now we will discuss how nurse is helping the toddler or the family members of a toddler to reduce the stress. First is rooming in. Rooming in means one parent or the parent, they should be stayed near to the child. Second is unlimited visiting hours. Unlimited visiting hours. That means parents or the family members, they can visit to their child in unlimited hours. Third is no punishment. If the mother is giving punishment to the child, there is lack of trust, or the child is not showing affection to the mother or the parents. So no punishment should be given to the child. Next is home routine continue, so that child will feel safe and secure in the hospitalized environment also. Familiar toys and articles what the child was using in the hospital, or the child is liking or disliking, you have to provide toys according to the age group. Allow child to play. It will help to reduce the child anxiety or the stress regarding the disease condition. Encourage independence, so that it will help in the proper growth of a child and decision making in the later life. Provide love, care, affection to the child. Love, care, affection to the child, so that child can able to maintain self-esteem, independence towards the society or towards the family also. So these were the role of a nurse, how she is helping in reducing stress. when a child is toddler age. Now we will discuss how she is helping to reduce stress when the child is preschool age. So in the preschool age, we have discussed that the child is having various stress in the reaction of the preschool children. Already we have discussed. So how we will reduce, or the nurse is reducing by minimizing the stress. How the nurse is minimizing? First is tell the child to verbalize the feeling, identify the hobbies, recreation activities that the child is liking. Give them the recreational activities according to the like and dislike of the child. Involve parents in the care, parental involvement in the care, or involve child also while performing any procedure or activity. Educate the child according to the level of the status of development. Next, set limit for the child that they have to play for this much hour they have to study, this much work they can able to perform. To set limit for the child. Give opportunity to the child to verbalize so that we can able to identify what are the stress that the child is having and how we can able to solve them. Explanation regarding according to age. You have to educate why the child is suffering this thing and how you can able to reduce the stress. Next, encourage the child to perform self-care and hygiene so that the child will also feel independent and the self-esteem is also maintained. So thus the nurse can able to prevent stress among the preschool age children. Now we will discuss how the nurse is helping school age child to reduce the stress. For the school age children, the parents, they are also educated, or they should also involved in the care of the child. Second thing is, you have to provide respect for the privacy, involve the school children into the care. Third thing is, identify the problem or the issues that the child is having. Identify problem, ask if they are having any problem. If any procedure that a nurse is performing, use treatment room or special area where you can able to provide privacy to the child before doing any procedure, because school age children, they can able to understand. You have to explain the procedure to reduce anxiety. Next, encourage them to perform self-care. Next, visiting hours should also be there so that they can able to see their friends or their siblings. And parents, they should be involved or they should be introduced with the other parents so that the anxiety level regarding the disease condition is reduced to some extent when the parents, they are meeting with parents of other child. Now we will discuss how a nurse is helping in reducing stress of adolescents. So adolescents age group, you have to prepare the adolescents for the admission in the hospital because of the disease condition. Second thing, you have to assess what is the impact of illness, why the child is admitted, what are the impacts on the child or on the adolescent child or on the family members, and identify or do history collection regarding the hobbies, recreation activities, personal preferences of a child. Maintain privacy. Recreation activities, that means give them some time to play or doing some artwork, painting work. Next is health teaching regarding the disease condition so that child will also feel safe and secure. Next, cooperation. Any procedure you are performing, inform the child so that child will also cooperate from her side. Or reassurance to the child. Peer relationship, school education, So you can tell the child to study for some hours in the hospital also if the child is feeling good, and tell the child to express the feeling if the child is having any. Okay, so these were the role of a nurse, how to reduce stress when the child is hospitalized. If you are having any question or any queries, or you need some special topic regarding the videos, so you can write in the comment box. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.